Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Mampana, and if you're first time on this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And thank you so much for choosing this video. Now in this video we're going to be focusing on gold. Will gold continue shooting down, or we are looking for possibilities to the upside? Stay tuned.
Okay, I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in my hole is like a movie. I knew it.
We getting money, don't care about what they on.
Alright, here on my screen I have gold. So we are going to start on a daily time frame. As you can see here, we are on a daily time frame, and I've already drew my trend lines there. So let me explain the trend lines right here. So we can see that from August, from the 6th of August, the market been ranging in this channel right there. So we know the market goes with a series of higher highs and higher lows, lower low and lower highs. At this point we are busy creating lower lows and lower high. If we can check previously from way too back, let me just scroll back to at least from this point right here, from May 2019, even though it's been way before that, but let me start here. From May 2019, we've been shooting up impulsively, and we're expecting nothing than going up again. So we all know this type of a structure where we can have the impulse and then the correction and continue going back up again. So this will form a channel at this point, and then we'll continue showing up. And on this pair, this is what I'm seeing currently. I'm also seeing this type of a structure with gold. So I've already drew my support and resistance right there. I'm going to start with this one right here, which is my major support line right now. So at this zone right here, let me just expand this zoom out so you will get to see exactly what I'm talking about. So at this zone, we can see that this zone, it's been a resistance here, market failed to break here, and been a resistance again somewhere right here. It's been again at this point right here, but it crossed successfully at this point right here, which it made this zone now to be our support zone. You can see from this point, from April up until June, the market been failing to cross successfully here. You can see here the market failed right here, touch here, we have a touch here, we have a touch here, we have another touch here, which it was our final touch. So whatever that been stopping the market to shoot up or down at this point will still continue, or may still happen to block the market to cross again. So we are going back to our current price, which is at this point right here. So at this point right here, we are seeing that the market is at that level again. It failed once more and we shot up. So what is it that we are looking for from here? You can see I have this inner resistance, because once I touch my support, I'm looking for the next possible zone, which it may affect my buying opportunities, which will act as a resistance. So at this point, I've seen this zone right here as a significant zone to look for. Now I'm expecting something of this nature. I'm expecting the market to shoot up here at this point, come back to retest here and give me a double bottom. Now we can continue shooting up to that point right there. So this will give me some sort of a double bottom right there. This will be some sort of a double bottom, just like this. So I'm expecting something like this, and if I were to use the chart button, I will show you just in a minute. So if I were to use the chart pattern, I will start here and leave it right there. So I will drag this to this point right here. Now you can see right there that I'm expecting the market to at least get to this point right here and then come back down before we can shoot furthermore up. Now let's switch to the smaller time frame and see what we can expect or see what we can do. Okay, I just switched to 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, I'm spotting this type of zone, this type of channel. I've spotted this, but then that was previously. I like to focus on recent price so I do not get to mess up things here. Okay, so I am seeing this, which gives me the opportunity to see more possibilities to the upside. We saw this touch, now we are expecting the market to get to this point right there. So we are expecting the market to at least shoot furthermore up to this point before we can come back down here to retest. We are expecting the market to get to this point here. So this is my view on gold. Can either scale down to get more opportunities or to see the market. Okay, yes, here's what I'm seeing again. At this point right here, I'm spotting this zone, a very powerful zone right here. I'm spotting this very powerful zone right there, meaning that inside this channel, inside this uptrend channel, we are seeing this point being, this zone right here being very important to us. So this will help us in adjusting our stop loss, so we can just expect to get in somewhere right here, and our stop loss will just be somewhere here. So we will hold this position up until this point right there. We'll get to hold this position up until right there. But remember, the overall is that we are looking for buying opportunities after we came back to retest at the main support level. We're looking for a retest again here, and then we continue shooting back up. But what will happen if the market in this case continue going down and even break this one? We are then going to target for a new line, of which is at this point right here. We are then now going to target at this price right there, somewhere there. We are going to target. So should the market cross this line, we will then expect a movement to the downside, just like this, to come and test at this line also. And once the market touched this line, then we're going to see the behavior in which the market approaches this zone right here, and then we're going to conclude based on that behavior. But currently, for now, we are just waiting for the market to at least reach at this point. Then we can further go down to test at this point. Now we shoot back up again. So I hope this video was very informative enough, and if it was, then please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do by now. Please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Leave the comment, what do you think about this analysis, and I will see you in the next video.